If you are a software developer and you are feeling exhausted, you are not alone. There are constant stream of new tools, new things to learn, and that is overwhelming. The FOMO is real. You go on a vacation for let's say like 7 days and you come back, and now there is a new tool which you never heard about, which you have to learn, master, and include it into your day-to-day work to prove to everybody that you know what, I am top of everything. And that is exhausting. Also, like in software development, there is a never ending learning curve, right? Because again, there is a new library, a new blog, a new programming language. Like you have spent months, even years to master what you're doing, and now you have to switch to something totally new. On the top of that, you are struggling with deadlines, managing bugs, and even bugs which in my previous company we used to call skeletons in the closet, things everyone know are there but no one wants to talk about, right? And programming isn't mechanical. It is creative work. It requires mental energy, problem solving, and even inspiration, right? You can't just grind it like a machine. And when you combine with that everything going on, which is learning new programming languages, learning new libraries, learning these new AI tools, incorporating them into our workflow, the mental overload becomes real. And then there is social media. You see other developers writing blogs, launching side projects, right? And working on some hustle side project. And suddenly it feels like if you're not doing that, you're not doing enough. The industry has made hustle the standard. Not all of us wants to work 24/7 and not have a life outside the code. That should not be the norm. You should have a life and you should not feel guilty about having a life outside the work. And on top of that, AI has made things intense too. They are constantly launching new things. OpenAI launched this, Claude launched this, Gemini launched this, whatever. And then you have to try them out and use them in your workflow. Doesn't matter if they are really useful or not, because if you don't do that, then you will be treated as a caveman who don't understand technology at all. Your career is important, but not at the cost of your well-being. And here's what I have learned: you don't have to learn everything. Just learn what is important for your job, what creates the most impact for your job. It's okay to unsubscribe and mute the hype. You only have 24 hours a day, and it is okay to have a life outside tech. Other thing is, you don't have to solve everything. Not every bug is your responsibility. Don't be the hero in every sprint. It's okay to say no. It's okay to say I don't have bandwidth for it. Just take responsibility for your work. Fix everything which is on your plate. Help your teammates out. But it's okay if you are exhausted. It's okay to say no. It's okay to say this is not my responsibility and someone else should fix that. Because coding is creative. If you are constantly burning out, then you can't write good code. Your productivity will suffer. And as usual, things in software development are progressing fast. New AI tools, new launches every day. But that's fine. You don't have to follow every launch. You don't have to follow every new release. You can unfollow, you can disconnect. I don't even keep YouTube or Instagram on my phone because I don't want to constantly compare myself with other developers or other people in the tech industry. Instead, I focus on what matters to me on my own pace. I learn on my own pace. I learn about the things that I want to learn. Software development is a huge field. You don't have to know everything. Focus on becoming a better software developer with the pace that you want to proceed and the domains which matters most to you. So if this video spoke to you, please share it with other people who needs to hear this. Let's normalize talking about how hard this job can be. Let's support each other and most importantly, take care of yourself. And I'll see you in the next video.